Anyway, we've got the power supply in, the memory in, the CPU applied with thermal with this fucking fan, the power supply right there. Everything's neat with this case. And I am imaging the boot drive. I have it at 30% overnight. Hopefully that should do the trick. So yeah, aside from the fucking CPU fan, which was a pain in the fucking ass, this build is coming along here. This is going to be a wonderful machine. 96 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 32 terabytes of a hard drive I have room in this case for a lot of bays, but I'm getting down to 4 because the drive bay situation was out of control. Oh, and the CPU was an i9 12900K. I'm going to upgrade this motherfucker later when it comes down in price. This motherboard is a fucking beast, and I could put a 14th gen in there. I need some fucking beer after this shit tonight.